Sometimes when using the update a database item module in Make, you want to add to the relation property as opposed to replacing the value. And the relation property is an array data type. So to add values to that property, instead of replacing the existing values, we can use this function that is a compound function using add and map. So first we map the array, and this is the relation array, and the row value, that is the ID. So that is everything that is already contained in there. And then we add the add function that adds values specified in the parameters to the array. And so we add to this array, and we add the ID of the database item that we are passing through the automation run dynamically. So that is how you can add to a relation property in Notion as opposed to replacing the existing values. You want to use add plus map. And these are in the arrays tab in the formulae in Make. This is add, and this is map. And to find out the row value that you need to use in the map function, because you see that it takes the array as the first argument and then the key. And the key can be found when you hover over the property that you need. So in this example, we were looking for this array here, that is a relation property that is added to import. So that's the array. And when I open it, there is the ID, which is what we want to get here. And when I hover over this, I see that the row name is ID. And that's why I wrote ID manually in here.